My name is Madison Marsh. I'm a junior environmental economics student. So my company name is the Cut Cookbook. This is it right here. And we have over 100 recipes in our book with photos for each page. We also offer a time estimate for each recipe, as well as the equipment needed in a note section so that our customers can make adjustments to the recipes as needed. Our goal is to really help young people and busy adults step back into the kitchen that may be afraid of cooking or have lost the time to be able to cook. Our recipes use ingredients that you might already have in your home and can be used over multiple different recipes. I've had this company since November, and I've been selling my books, and I've had this idea of where I wanted to take it, but joining the challenge, it's really made me lay down where I want to go with everything. Working with Burgess Institute, I've got to do a couple of amazing things, speaking on a student panel and being able to share my advice with other young, inspiring entrepreneurs, and now up and coming, the Burgess New Venture Challenge, which I'm very excited about.